how to get a sub button on Kick.com. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can get a sub button on Kick.com. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to ensure that you have a Kick account already. Once that is ensured, go ahead and open up your account, just like I have done here. And then once you open the account, click on the profile icon located by the top right corner of the screen. So this icon, once you click on it, a menu will be displayed. Just go ahead and select Creator Dashboard. So once you click on Creator Dashboard, you'll be directed to the Creator's Dashboards page. Now on this page, by the left side, you see a menu. Go ahead and select Achievements. All right. Once you select Achievements, you will be taken to the page where you would know how you can get a sub button. Now on this page, towards the right side, you see Enable Subscription, right? Yes, but you cannot click on it. That is, the Enable Subscription button is not available, and you can only have access to it if you fulfill this requirement, which is to build a community and get a total of 5 followers. Once that is done, hang with a community and stream for a total of 5 hours. All right, once you fulfill this requirement, the Enable Subscription button will be available, and from there you will be able to get a sub button. So this is how you can get a sub button on Kick.com. Very simple. Thanks for watching.